Hi everyone, we're looking at the two more knives here. They're Victorinox Swiss Army knife. The smaller one is the model Signature Lite pocket knife. The larger one is the Climber. Okay, let's look into details. Okay, here's the smaller one. It's called the Signature Lite because you can write with this Swiss Army knife. Okay. You can just push and the pen will come out, and the pen actually is locked in position. Okay, let me show you here. So you push it and it's locking here. Let me write something for you. Okay. There you go. So, see. This blue color, it's good. Alright, this is a pen, and there's also LED light. You basically just press the Victorinox logo. I don't have the battery in there, but then that's how light turns on. It's bright LED, and it's enough for you to search around in the house for keys and stuff. And there's also the standard blade. Nail file and a small head, a small Phillips head, small flat head screwdriver. On the other side, there's small scissors. Okay. It doesn't have the standard tweezers or the toothpick because the places are being replaced by the pen and the LED light. Okay. This one basically uses the same silver scale. It's the Climber. Let's take a look at it. There's a small blade, the larger blade, can opener with a small flathead screwdriver, bottle opener with the larger flathead screwdriver, and the wire stripper here. And let's close them all. There's one extra in the middle. It's the larger scissors. Spring action, very useful. This one does come with the standard toothpick and tweezers. And there's keyring in the back. There's a cork screw. And the reamer. Okay, let's look closer on the scale, because I bought this knife because of the handle scale and the color. I really like it. It's very nice, right? And here's the smaller one. Okay. Let me show you how to change the battery here. The Signature Lite uses a battery of HC3A9. Okay. And there's, you can see the hole on the side, and the cap for the battery is here. So let's take the tool here. Oh, by the way, for most of the standard Swiss Army knife, there is hole that you can insert this pin in there. But most of the model doesn't come with this pin, but you can just get one and insert in there, and then you have extra tool. Very useful. I'm gonna use this tool, this pin, to open the cap for the change of the battery. So basically just push and it opens up, and then you can just insert the battery in there this way, then close. Like I said before, this battery is dead, so cannot be turned on. Okay, let me show you another comparison of this signature Lite with standard Swiss Army knife. Basically the size is about the same. The difference is in the width, right? The standard one has the toothpick and the tweezers, but this one has the LED and the pen. So it's a lot thicker. It's like twice thick as the standard one. But they have different functions, so using different purpose. This one you can write with it, and you can it does have the LED light. So this one is good if you need the light and the pen, and it looks great too. Okay. So those are the two new models of the Victorinox Swiss Army knives. I'll have the item link below.